Hi students, next we are going to learn sum of an arithmetic sequence. Consider this arithmetic sequence with first term 2, last term 17 and common difference 3. We need to find the sum of these numbers. How can we find it easily? We have a clever trick for that. And the trick is known as the pairing trick. Consider the arithmetic sequence and pair it like first term and last term, second term and second last term, and so on. Their sum is always equal to 19. Every pair has a sum 19, so we'll take the sum as first term plus last term, that is 19. Next we need to check how many pairs are there. Here you can see it is 3 pairs, but in general we need to find how many pairs are there. Before that we need to know how many terms are there. In this arithmetic sequence we can see that from 2 to 5, 5 to 8 and so on, we have 5 jumps to reach 17. We keep adding 3 from 2 to 17 5 times, and it connects 6 terms also. So n is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Where does this plus 1 comes from? We can find out the general formula to find n. We know that last term equal to first term plus n minus 1d. So last term minus first term is n minus 1 into d. Last term minus first term divided by d is equal to n minus 1. So n equal to last term minus first term by d plus 1. This is a formula to find out n. You can check it for the earlier arithmetic sequence. Next, we are going to find the sum formula. The number of pairs we have is n by 2. Each pair sum up to 19, that is first term plus last term. So the sum will be n by 2 into first term plus last term. In the previous case, sum is equal to n is 6. 6 by 2 into 2 plus 17, that is 3 into 19, that is 57. When you add those terms, you will get 57 itself. So our sum formula is well defined, that is n by 2 into first term plus last term. How will we find out the sum of an arithmetic sequence when the last term is not given? Let's look at an example of saving money. The first month you saved 50 rupees and in the coming months you are saving 10 more. So 50, 60, 70 and so on. You need to find out how many rupees you saved in 12 months. So A is 50, D is 10, N is 12 and the last term is not given. Here we do not need to find the last term to get the sum. So we can look at the formula of the sum without the last term. We already know the sum formula is n by 2 into first term plus last term. Here the last term is actually a plus n minus 1 times d. Substitute that in our sum formula. So n by 2 into a plus n minus 1d, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. This is our formula. We can now solve our previous problem using the new formula. Sum will be equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into 50 plus 12 minus 1 into 10. That is equal to 6 into 100 plus 110. That's equal to 6 into 210. So the total savings in 12 months will be rupees 1260. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.